Well, I'm not sure how I ended up on this end of the shovel out here, but I'm helping Mike and Mark lower this grade a bit where we had a lot of dirt piled up from digging out the foundation. And the reason this is important, we want to slope all of the dirt away from the house. And even though this is a covered area, it's still very important because inevitably a little rain is going to blow in here, but it's more important that the dirt slope away from the foundation of your home when you have an open area like this. Now, later on, the homeowners plan on putting a little guttering here, which will certainly help to catch some of the water, but you're going to get some water in this area, and what you don't want is for it to pile up against the foundation and kind of pool there, and that will cause the foundation to drop sooner or later, and that can cause a lot of settling problems inside. Now, if you have an existing situation where you have flower beds around your house and it's damming up the water and causing it to pool against the foundation, you need to do something about that right away so that the water all the way around your house moves away from the foundation. Hey, I'm gonna help the guys finish up back here. Then they can get started on the new deck.